It's rather rare to have your bris performed by a pig. When you're hot and tired from running with the bulls, why not go swimming with the bulls? I don't know what you feed a ferret, but it can't be this.
I'll put them on the top of the cake.
It may be Christmas, but the food chain never takes a day off.
Cute little critter.
He is a cute little critter.
Chow time!
Oh! Tommy! Don't let your dog out.
So you see why we can't break up the set. Hope he doesn't bark. He'll explode. Max is a little bitter he's not a Dalmatian with a swanky firehouse gig. Ever wonder what it's like to be another dog's butt? Forget worms. Here's the bait you should be using. Prince will do anything to prove his loyalty.
Refrigerator, okay? They better let me do that. Here, something to wipe your hands off.
May look like they're making dessert, but actually they're playing with a slip and slide.
Be careful, kids, we're gonna rip.
Look what grandmother's done!
What do you think, frosting or sprinkles? Sprinkles it is.
What do you turn your head when you cheat and sneeze?
Sound asleep.
They say when you fall asleep, your tongue is the last to know. Rex already got his wish, and there's a candle on it.
Oh no! Oh no! Is the candle on, Steve? I just roasted us, Steve.
A day without orange juice is like a day without mopping.
I want some dressing.
I got dressing too. Watch this.
What's the stuffing?
It's full of stuffing. It came with a bird.
What? Came with the bird? See that?
Yeah, it comes with a bird.
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Or something.
Watch your face.
Get the stuff.
It's right here. Look.
Oh my God.
It comes with a bird. What is that?
That's not stuffing.
That's my favorite breed, the Boston Cream Terrier. Usually you have to wait until they're teens for this.
You say, Mommy?
Dinner and a show, this kid's got it made.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Here's Charlie Brown, his best friend Piggy.
The good news is you'll only have to pay Lucy 5 cents for psychiatric help.
Oh, that's too good. Oh.
It's official. She can't be any cleaner. Matthew's so worried about getting lost at the family picnic, he decided to leave a trail.
Matthew, Dana. Dana, I'm afraid it's captured.
You'd be amazed what washes up from your sinus cavity. Don't believe a word he says. Monkey see, monkey like.